This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Joe Petno. Why wait to build? 12 to 16 months out to build. Extended version of the Mystique Floor Plan 3-bedroom, 2-bath, with office, incredible views from back, extended screened-in patio overlooking lake and golf course, patio extended by 4 feet, 0 corner sliders, plumbed for an outdoor kitchen, metal fenced-in backyard, with 2 gates, tons of upgrades, irrigation front and back, beautiful custom tile floors, quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets and upgraded stainless steel appliances, upgraded deep stainless sink, tile backsplash, large master with tray ceilings, large walk-in shower with bench and tile to the ceiling, large walk-in closet, extra wall mounts for TVs, upgraded 8 feet doors throughout, 23 feet deep garage with epoxy floors, pull-down attic storage, golfers can walk over to play golf, fabulous community amenities, minutes from interstate.